Here's a popular year and model. 1960 Chevrolet El Camino. Don't get too many of these in. 283 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering. Take a look at the front grille. Bumper, headlight, surrounds. Now this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that is included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Tires are less than a year old, riding on rally wheels. Beauty rings, center caps. Paint on the vehicle does show its age a little bit. I don't know if you can even see it. There's a little bit of kind of staining in the paint in areas. It's not a brand new paint job, let's put it that way. It does show its age a little bit. Still a fun one to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, because like I said, you don't see a lot of these in 60 El Caminos. This was originally an ermine white and Tasco turquoise car. Very cool body lines. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Does show some blemishes on the bright work. A few different spots. Take a look at the bed. Wouldn't be surprised if that was the original paint on the car, considering the color it was originally and kind of the condition of that bed. Take a look at the rear bright work. Of course, 59s and 60s being very similar with the exception of those taillights compared to the 59. Take your time looking through the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. And remember, we have an open door policy if you want a third-party inspector to come take a look at this. Maybe you can't make it yourself due to time or distance. Feel free. Like I said, open door policy for third-party inspectors. We try to represent these cars as fairly as we can with all the pictures that are taken. You'll be able to see online and the undersides, interior engine bay, as well as the walk-around video here. And then you'll also be able to see this car driving down the road from the driver's perspective, or passenger's perspective, I should say. Check out the still pictures. You'll also see the cowl tag if you want to do any decoding yourself. VIN tag, that will all be in the still pictures. So kind of a gray two-tone interior here. We're going to start it up, let you run too. So let's go ahead, make sure we're parked. That 283 is always fired off on this car, right off the start. Let's check this radio out also while we're in here. It does have a retro sound, newer style radio. And that is in working order. Top of the dash, good. With the headliner. Look at that, headliner also intact. Does have sun visors. Slip around to the back. Quiet running, no crazy over the top exhaust or cam or anything like that. Let's slip up to the front. I can probably open this one one-handed. Check out the engine bay here. There it is. It's a newer master cylinder also. Just had some service things done. It does have a new fuel pump. Carb was recently rebuilt. New battery, and then mentioned earlier, tires are less than a year old. And we do have a battery disconnect over here. If you're not driving every day and in between use, you want to disconnect the battery, it's all set up for you. There it is, 283, power steering is paired up with automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Now remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Call us 507-386-1726. That protection plan may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1960 Chevrolet El Camino. Nice teal color on the outside. We got some gray and a cloth bench seat on the inside. Our turn signal indicators are functioning. This is an automatic on the column. Speedometer works. Fuel gauge is reading full. For the generator and oil, we have warning lights that are option. The temperature is a quarter of the way up the gauge right now. Retro sound style radio working well. Got a nice smooth ride from this car. Power steering working very well. If I let go of the wheel, while we're rolling, she stays straight in the lane. The blower motor works on this vehicle. Brakes are working. Corners as you would expect for a 1960 El Camino. Very comfortable, spacious interior actually. And you have a truck bed in case you want to haul anything. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1960 Chevrolet El Camino at UniqueClassicCars.com.